What is good, Tesla family? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this one, I want to give you guys a very quick update on Tesla SPY in the market and also talk about something very important that Elon Musk just said about Tesla. But before I break anything down, let me just mention a couple of things. I am personally not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And don't forget about the Weeble link. The offer ends very soon. Deposit $500 and you're guaranteed 20 free stocks. Anyways, let's talk about the market. Looking at Tesla, we got this nice channel that's been respected so far. So we're going to be watching this as time goes on. As you can see, we're still kind of stuck in this. Got this little pop and drop since we opened. Now we're trying to hold 192. I'll break down the numbers and the levels in just a minute. But let's first talk about Elon Musk. We're seeing a lot of headlines coming out about this. A lot of talk about Tesla achieving 10x output, whether or not that's going to be viable or pragmatic. And basically, you can see right here, Tesla has a target of 20 million vehicles per year to be sold by the year 2030. That's a very ambitious goal, and I do believe Tesla has the potential to get close to it. But the question is, will Tesla do it? Is it going to be extremely difficult? What is Elon Musk's view? So we had this Twitter thread that came out, or X thread, whatever you want to call it, from Tesla Economics. They basically said whether Tesla reaches a point in time of delivering 10 to 20 million Teslas on an annual basis, it isn't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So that's what they're saying. And Elon Musk responded. He actually responded to this not too long ago, and he mentioned that it will be very hard to climb to 10x output. Doable, but it is an immense amount of work. So it's very difficult. If anything, it's going to be a lot of work. And Musk is telling the truth about that. But that's the thing about Tesla. They have very ambitious goals. They're going to work very hard to get closer. Even if they don't achieve 20 million per year by then, they still could get closer to doing it. So I think that having these ambitious goals will push them further nonetheless, which is technically very bullish for Tesla for the long term. I do agree with his point, though. It's going to be very difficult and there's a lot of work to be done. There's also going to be a lot of talk about the next gen $25,000 vehicle that should be coming out. We don't know exactly when or the full details about it, but there's been a lot of talk about that as well, especially incorporating the robotaxi and more FSD updates. Tesla's also going to be updating its notorious wipers very soon. I'm not going to call them bad wipers. I've heard different views about them. Something very, very cool about that. Basically, there's been some issues since like 2018 about the way they performed in different climates. So Tesla's going to be giving us something very different, something very, very interesting. So this message has come out that they're going to be working on some new improvements, at least for the wipers, and we'll be watching to see if that ends up being the case. But this once again could actually help out. We'll see if anything comes out about the Model 3 and the Model Y wipers. Could be useful, but we're still waiting for the official update. But so far, very soon something should be coming. There might be an announcement too, so we'll wait and see. Now, anyways, talking about Tesla, we have this channel, a downwards channel right here. We're trying to bounce off 192. Want to try to approach the next resistance right here at this 195 area, just a little bit under it. So we're getting very close to that. Watch 195 followed by 198 as resistance, and watch support at 192. So far, Tesla's respecting this channel back and forth and back and forth. It may continue to do so for the majority of the day. To turn bullish, you want to get a breakout out of this. We haven't really done so yet. We're still respecting this, so be very careful. As far as SPY goes, SPY right now is it's still actually hovering around the 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll see how well it does. It's still kind of stuck right now at around that 496 support, not really doing a whole lot. So we're still kind of stuck. Not a whole lot's going on with this. If it does try to rebound, we'll see if we can try to get back above 197, which is where we tried to bounce in the pre-market. If we do so, 198.25 is coming next. Otherwise, it's kind of stuck at 196. If we lose 196, we could fall all the way down to not 196, 496. If we lose that, then 494 could come next. But otherwise, we're still kind of shuffling, not really doing a whole lot. We are still showing some weakness, so be kind of careful, but still kind of stuck in that 496 area. For the QQQ, we call that 425 in the morning. That's where the QQQ happens to be. If we lose this, one should come down towards 423.8. Otherwise, it's still kind of holding up at 425 and shuffling. We'll see where it tries to rebound off of. It's going to be one of those two levels, in my opinion. And we could get another retest of 427 later, so we'll just have to wait and see. For Nvda is showing some weakness. As you guys could tell, it actually lost support at 693. So now we're going to be watching to see how well it could hold the pre-market low of 682 and then 687 as supports. Watch resistance at 693 and 700. Otherwise, it might sink a little bit lower. So watch these two supports for the time being, and we'll see how well it holds from here. For Aapl Apple, in my opinion, is looking a little bearish, barely holding 180. 180 is a critical support. If we lose this, we could come down to 178, but we're still looking kind of bearish for the time being. So once again, for Tesla, I mean, right now we're still in this channel, so we'll see how well it does. That's going to be your very, very quick update for now, guys. Thank you for listening. Do what you have to do, and make sure you watch your levels carefully. Thank you, and peace out.